Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about a configuration testing in software engineering. So let's discuss. A configuration testing is the type of software testing that verifies the performance of the system under development against various combination of software and hardware to find out the best configuration under which the system can work without any flaws or issues while matching its functional requirements. So it is called as a configuration testing. And next one is configuration testing process. So in this process, the configuration testing comes under the unit test and integration test. So in unit test means it tests the single unit or individual unit of the requirements, and integration testing means which combines and tests two or modules or two or individual components. And these two tests comes under the test environment. So the test environment it classified into three types. There are Firefox, Chrome and IE. So these are the process of configuration testing. And next one is type of configuration testing. So the configuration testing is classified into two types. There are software configuration and another one is hardware configuration. So the software configuration means, and this test done over the application under test with various operating system versions and various browser versions, etc. And it is a time consuming testing as it takes long time to install and uninstall the various software which are to be used for testing. When the build is released, the software configuration begins after passing through the unit test and integration test. So these are called as a software configuration testing. And next one is hardware configuration testing. So the hardware configuration testing is typically performed in labs where physical machines are used with various hardware connected to them. When a build is released, the software is installed in all the physical machines to which the hardware is attached, and the test is carried out on each and every machine to confirm that the application is working fine. While doing hardware configuration test, the kind of hardware to be tested is spelled out, and there are several computer hardware and peripherals which make it next to impossible to execute all the tests. So these are the hardware configuration testing. So basically the software configuration is done over the application and it is test various OS, but the hardware configuration which is performed in labs, that is physical machines, and which is used various hardware connected. Again, this configuration testing is classified into following the two different types of testing. So there are client level testing and another one is server level testing. So the client level testing means it is associated with the usability and functionality testing. This testing is done from the point of view of its direct interest of the users. And the second type is server level testing. So the server level testing is carried out to determine the communication between the software and the external environment when it is planned to be integrated after the release. So the client level testing means which is associated with the usability and functionality, and it is tested direct interest of the users. But the server level testing, it is carried which is determine the communication between the software and the external environment. So next one is assessment. So the first question is explain about the configuration testing, and second one list out the types of configuration testing. So these are the reference. Thank you.